Visiting Japan is a dream for many travelers who are fascinated by its rich culture, beautiful landscapes, ancient temples, and modern technology. But before you can explore this remarkable country, you need to make sure your travel documents are in order, especially if your country is not on the visa exemption list. Applying for a Japan tourist visa can feel overwhelming at first, but once you understand the process, it becomes very straightforward. This video will take you through each step in detail, from checking if you need a visa to collecting your passport so you can focus on planning your unforgettable trip. Step 1. Check if you need a visit. First step is to confirm whether you need a tourist visa to visit Japan. Japan has visa exemption agreements with many countries which allow their citizens to enter for short stays without applying for a visa. These stays usually last for up to 90 days. If you are not sure whether your country qualifies for visa exemption, visit the official website of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Japan. If your country is not on the visa waiver list, you must apply for a temporary visitor visa through the Japanese embassy or consulate in your home country. This visa is usually valid for tourism, sightseeing, family visits, or short business meetings. Step 2. Gather the required documents. To apply for a Japan tourist visa, you need to gather all necessary documents in advance. Providing complete and accurate documentation is the key to a smooth application process. Here is a detailed list of documents commonly required: valid passport with at least 6 months remaining before expiration and at least 2 blank pages. Visa application form completely filled in and signed with no blanks or errors. 1 recent passport size photo taken within the last 6 months with white background. Daily itinerary or travel plan showing your activities and places you plan to visit in Japan. Round-trip flight reservation or confirmation of airline bookings, hotel booking confirmation, or a letter of invitation if you are staying with someone in Japan. Proof of financial means such as personal bank statements, payslips, or letter of employment showing that you can afford your trip. Letter of invitation and residence card if a friend or relative in Japan is hosting you, along with their personal ID copy. Certificate of employment or school enrollment letter if you are currently working or studying. BASBs and consulates may ask for additional documents depending on your situation, so always check their specific requirements before applying. Step 3. Fill out the application form carefully. Download the Japan visa application form from the official embassy website. Fill it out using clear capital letters. Make sure your personal details match exactly with your passport. Double-check your name, date of birth, contact information, and travel dates. Any mismatch or missing information can cause delays or rejection. Not sign the form until you are at the embassy if they require you to sign in front of a consular officer. Step 4. Make an appointment or visit the embassy. Some Japanese embassies require applicants to book an appointment while others accept walk-ins during specific hours. Visit the embassy website for your country to check their submission process. If an appointment is needed, book it early as slots can fill up quickly, especially during peak season. Bring 2 sets of your documents when going for submission: the original set and 1 photocopy set in case the embassy requests a duplicate. Step 5. Submit your application in person on your appointment day. Go to the Japanese embassy, consulate, or authorized visa processing center. Submit your complete application along with all the required documents. Some embassies may conduct a brief interview or ask you questions about your trip, especially if you have never traveled abroad before. In some countries, you may need to pay a visa fee when submitting your application. This fee is non-refundable even if your visa is denied. Payment methods and fees vary depending on the location, so check ahead of time. Step 6. Wait for processing. Once submitted, your application will be reviewed. Processing time usually takes 5 to 10 business days depending on your country of application. Some applications may take longer, especially during holidays or if additional documents are requested. Avoid booking your flight or hotel until your visa is approved. While you may submit travel reservations, embassies advise not to confirm anything until your visa is granted. You will be contacted when your passport is ready for collection. In some countries, passports may be returned by courier if you applied through a visa center. Step 7. Collect your visa. When collecting your passport, check the visa sticker carefully. Confirm that your name, passport number, visa type, and validity dates are correct. Most tourist visas are single entry and allow a maximum stay of 90 days. If your visa is denied, the embassy will not provide a detailed reason, and you may need to wait several months before reapplying unless there is a significant change in your travel purpose or document. Step 8. Prepare for travel with your tourist visa in hand. It is time to prepare for your trip. Finalize your travel arrangements, such as buying your flight ticket, booking accommodations, and getting travel insurance. Make multiple copies of your passport and visa page to carry with you when you arrive in Japan. Immigration officers may ask about your plans or documents, so keep printed copies of your hotel reservations, return flight, and financial proof in your hand. Luggage. Japan is very organized, and travelers are expected to be polite, respectful, and well prepared. Helpful tips for a successful Japan tourist visa application: always apply at least 1 month in advance of your intended travel date. Provide only truthful information and authentic documents. Prepare a clear travel itinerary with detailed activities and places. Maintain strong proof of funds showing you can afford your trip and stay. Avoid booking non-refundable flights or hotels before getting your visa. Keep communication lines open in case the embassy needs to contact you. Japan offers one of the most unique and rewarding travel experiences in the world. With beautiful nature, fascinating history, modern technology, and delicious food, it is a destination that truly has something for everyone. By following this step-by-step visa guide, you will avoid common mistakes and make your application process much smoother. Whether you are visiting Tokyo for the city buzz, Kyoto for its temples, or Hokkaido for natural beauty, your journey begins with a successful visa application. Have questions about the video or need clarity? Book a one-on-one session. Full info in the description box.